Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. Today we will discuss about the Elliott wave analysis of Reliance Industry. Friends, in the last video I have given the how to calculate the price target of any script, and in that I have chosen the Reliance Industry script and given the target near 2500. So with the help of Elliott wave theory, let me see how what will the target of Reliance Industry with the help of EW. So this was the monthly chart of the Nifty, Reliance Industry. So we have done the wave cycle 1 from 0 to 1, that is near 824 in the year 2001, and then we see a corrections A, B and C that is made in wave cycle 2 in the year 2016-15, and from there we have started the third cycle larger wave. 1 and 2 has done, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, that is wave 3 of 1 has done, completed here, that is 1617 levels. So third of 1 has completed here, and third of 2, that is the current scenario fall from 1617 to 863 in the month of March 2020 will be considered as third of 1 and third of 2 has completed. And what we are seeing now, that is the larger wave of third wave in progress. So let me see the analysis how it can move, or what will the target of the third wave of Reliance. So this was a low made 8863, and then we can see that wave 1 and wave 2 from 863 to 1141 completed wave 1, and from there 1141 to 1010 has made wave 2, and again wave 1 and 2 of third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the complete at third of 1, and then wave 2 ended at near 1393, and again the larger wave third of third in progress, and within that wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th has completed. On the day of annual general meeting we have completed the third wave subdivision of third wave at 1978, and we can see a huge fall till 1798, we consider at fourth wave, and what we are seeing is the fifth wave in progress of third, and then after completion of this, fourth and fifth is pending. So you can see in the chart that fourth has completed and fifth of 1, 2, 3, 4, and this fifth is complete as third wave from this black one. This is the black mark 1, 2, and this third wave will complete here, and then again fourth wave will come down, and again fifth wave will move towards up. So target of this third wave is near about 2400 to 2500 levels. So this is the Elliott wave analysis of the Reliance. Thank you. Please like the channel. Those who are new viewers, kindly subscribe the channel and please press the bell notification. Thank you for watching it.